Brian Parfmore here of Parfmore Paranormal. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow us on YouTube. But right now I want to show you guys the Ohio State bird, which is the cardinal, which they say is to be 12 feet tall. It's over here in Columbus, Ohio. Figure you guys like to see a big bird. So what do you guys think of the big cardinal? I think it said 1986 it was built. So what do you guys think? See the tail. View of the other side over here for you guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment to Parfmore Paranormal. Another exploring done. So keep exploring. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.